Hey guys, how are you today? So today, just wanted to talk about Angular CLI. Um, they have come up with really cool features. So the current version I'm using is Angular 6.1. Uh, yeah, there's a lot of questions like why Angular CLI came directly from 1.x to 6. So for them, it's just to sync up with Angular. So they wanted to sync up with the version, so nothing major breaking changes from 1.x to 6.1. So I know you guys are already using CLI, but I just wanted some really cool features which will give give you a very quick startup, to create your own boilerplate. So let's show some cool features. So you already know about NG new. So let's say I'm going to create a new demo, and I just want to give routing. you know I don't want to create, so this routing will directly insert a routing in your module. And I also want to give style is equal to sans. So it will create you a project along with routing and the style I've used. So it may take a while. Yeah, and also Angular material design. They have come up with the new features. You directly add your dashboards. Meanwhile, I'll pause the video. So now it's installed. This will serve into your browser. But before that, I just want to show you some really cool features of Angular CLI. I'll just pause it here. Sorry. Okay. So I'm just gonna use this ng add Angular material. What this gonna do is it will add a material. uh, you can tell it as a whole library will be used. You know. So I'm just gonna go and paste it here. It will automatically add your material libraries to your module. You don't have to do anything. There's zero effort. Just you have to write this command and it will be inserted. Sorry. This may take a while. There you go. So you see, you don't have to do anything. They have updated the package.json, angular.json file. They'll insert into your app modules, index.html and style.css. So now you can just use your material. I'll just go ahead and I'll show you. Sorry. I'm gonna do ng serve now. It's taking time. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a real quick demo. Like, I'm going to create a new component. It's called navigation bar. So what I'm going to do is, okay, it's building up. It's too slow. Okay, okay, here it is. So you can see the Angular material is already added. You can see the changes in the font. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to generate a new component. Wait a minute, before that I want to show you the code structure. So it's a bit slow. So, here is the structure. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna create a new navbar which I have directly used from Angular material. The schematic I've used is material. I'm just gonna go and give a name for it. So I'm just gonna give a name header nav. Voila. So it has created me all the components. Okay, let's go and see here. Okay, I'm gonna go and use this navbar. Okay, I'll start up the server. You see the routing which we have added while creating the project. It's already there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all these things. Okay, I'm just going to add this. Okay, so my navbar is added now. So let's go and check. It's still building. Come on, it's too slow. Okay, so now build is my completed. So you see the navbar is already created here. You don't have to do anything. I've just generated a component and I've used it. Let's go and use some other. Let's gonna use table. We can just name it demo table. Sorry. Again, it's gonna create components for that. Okay, let's go and check. So here we have a demo table. and I am going to use this demo table inside the navbar. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy the selector. Okay, navbar. Okay. So our build is complete. So let's check. Here it is. We are getting the table here. So it's that simple. Just have to add Angular CLI. I'm sorry. You can just directly add material design, and you can directly go ahead with the schematics. You can generate your dashboards, you can generate your navigation, you can generate the tables, and you can create your own boilerplate. It's very simple. It's very powerful.